vote a little while earlier. This is my voting card. I voted. They put ink on my finger. I went home, just washed my breakfast plate, and the ink is gone. So what is the meaning of this? Is this another ink scam? I don't know. I don't know why that ink is put on the finger. And if it's not needed, why keep that girl sitting there putting ink on everybody's finger if it is just a formality? So I want to know, I'm going to meet the presiding officer to ask why has this ink gone? I remember before when we used to go to vote, as the nail grew, the ink would go higher. That was what it is. Now what is this new type of ink that they have brought? So I want to know, and this has not only happened to me, it has happened to a lot of people. A friend of mine, Rebani Saha, she voted in Sukur. She also said the ink has gone. Another 2-3 people have complained. So what is the meaning of this? We want an answer from the presiding officer, so I'm waiting to meet him.
Yeah, who is the presiding officer?
I don't know. He has to send me to the presiding officer. Who's the presiding officer, please? You're the presiding officer. I voted in the morning. I went home. Why is this never happened before? I don't know why. Is it a new ink scam? I don't know why this has happened because before, as the nail would grow, the ink would go higher and you would get rid of it. Can you tell me what is the reason for the ink going? In 45 minutes that I reached home. Can you please tell me?
Madam, ink bore quality चे ना? Ink bore quality चे ना? Ink quality ना? But तिचे कशे गेले?
Why did mine go and so many people? It's not only mine, even in Sukur, people who voted the ink is going. What is this new scam? Can you please tell me as presiding officer, please? Please, as presiding officer, I want to know, I want your answer. This is my card, number 8. I've come back to the same place. I voted here. My number is 6.
आमी आसा मासेनो दी आमोरियो हांगासर जंय पर्रेकर जो वोटिंग करपाक येतालो जो आदले डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर स्वर्गीय आदले डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर हांगा एक इशू जाला जो वोटर वोट मारता तेणी इंक लायल्ले आनी ती थंयच्यान हॉटेलान गेले उपरांत तिणी हात धुले जाल्यार इंक तेज्या हातींच्यान गेली सो ती थंयच्यान हांगा विचारपाक आयली थंय इंक कशें गेलें काय म्हणून सो इंक वचपाक जायना सद्या आमी पळोवंक शकता जे वोटर टर्नआउट वेरी स्लो आसा बट टर्नआउट जाता सो आमकां एकूच असो बूथ दिश्टी पडलो तो मिड एज लोक दिश्टी पडटा आतां सद्या वोटिंग मातशें स्टॉप जालेलें आसा मातशें एक इशू जालेलो आसा ते इंकाचे खातीर सद्या वोटिंग
I believe the officer is coming. This is not only me. I received another complaint from someone in Porvorim. They also have complained and we want to know why this is happening. Otherwise, why pay that lady to put ink, send her home, one more salary less? Or what is this scam?
You given complaint?
Somebody complained to the polling officer in the morning. This is the letter here. This is in Porvorim. Now this is happening in booth number 8, Panjim. So I don't know where else. It must be happening in a lot of places. So, hello. Come here. In Goa, there is in Goa here near booth number 8. Please come in. 8. Yeah, here Masa Namori. Masa Namori, booth number 8. I'm voted, I've come to complain, not only vote. My ink is gone. Yes, they've come to take me. I don't mind going anywhere.
You can come.
Fine, no problem.
You can complain, ma. You complain.
No, I want to, the officer's coming. I've already complained. She's the presiding officer, called the polling officer, somebody. I'm waiting for them. All these letter complaints, my reply will come after 10 days. No point.
So if you have
I voted in the morning, 8 o'clock, don't worry. I'm not going to, everybody else can vote in peace, but please see that your ink remains on the finger.
Yes.
That is my problem.
It's good that you are complaining.
Of course,
but
we have to
approach
complain.
the proper forum.
That's why.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's why I spoke to the presiding officer. No problem. I'm not going to worry you all. Everyone can vote in peace, but please see that their ink remains and they use the right ink.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm waiting for the officer now. He's
Yeah.
supposed to come, okay? So let me see what the officer has to say. Where?
Stay out and
No problem, yes. I had to meet them inside. That's why I went in. Because staying out is not an issue. I don't want to create any problems. I went to vote in the morning around 8 o'clock or so, and I voted, and they put the ink on my finger. Then I went home to have my breakfast, washed my plate, and the ink has gone. So I'm wondering, what sort of ink is this? Is this another scam, ink scam that is going on? Because before, when I voted, as my nail grew, the ink would go. But here, you just wash your finger, and this has not only happened to me, it has happened to a lot of people. I just showed a complaint of somebody in Sukur. They have complained to the polling officer, and their ink also has gone. This is the complaint made in Sukur, if you all want to see. Okay, so now I spoke to the presiding officer, and they are calling the officer in charge. So I want to know, what is the meaning of this? If this ink is not needed and it's only a formality, why is that girl sitting there? I'm sure they're paying her salary. Save that salary in all the polling booths if it's only a formality, and send the ink people home.
Ma'am, this only booth is having a problem?
No, this is in Sukur. This is in mine, and I heard that many more people are having problems, so I don't know where. Probably people will complain. But this is in booth number 8, Masa Namori, this has happened.
I just want to ask you, anything on your finger you have to...
No, nothing. I just washed my breakfast plate in the morning. And I'm sure everybody else can try it. I'm sure even with spit it might go. I don't know. But I just washed my breakfast and I said, where's my ink gone? Nothing. I did not put acetone or anything to try to get it out. Nothing like that. It just with soap and water as I wash my plate. But this never happened before.
Any clarification they had given?
No, they said they're calling the officer. So I'm waiting for the officer now to see why the ink is going.
Madam, your name?
I'm Patricia Pinto, booth number 8. My voting number is 613 and I already voted. So I just want to know this issue.
Masano Amaro, no?
Masa Namori.
What they
I've
said.
been told by the police here that I have to go to Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium in Bamboli and make a complaint. Now there should have been someone at the polling booth who's going to take my complaint, making me go from Panjim all the way there. I told him, give me the police car, I will go, take me there. Anyway, he's smiling, but I will go and make a complaint. I don't know, wherever I have to go, I'll make this complaint, and I want a reply to my complaint. That is very important.
Okay. What is your demand only to that?
No, I want to know why this is happening. My demand is, if you put indelible ink on my finger, it should remain. This is my thing, and probably that ink has a purpose. Otherwise, why put ink? So if they're doing it for a purpose, the ink has to remain. It should not go off as soon as I wash my plate. This is nonsense.
Where are you going right now?
Now I will go to Shama. They told me to go to Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium and complain there.
There is an authorized person.
Yes. So I'll have to go there and make a complaint. So let me see, I will go there. But this is too much trouble for voters to go around looking for officers. I think the officer should have been here.
Yes.
Yes, I will go there.
You can call.
Ma'am, what you will suggest? Because you were the councillor before, and you know what is the procedure. What do you suggest to the election commission for this issue?
No. See, I was a councillor. I know there was polling, there was ink, everything was okay. My issue is why things have changed today. Is it the quality of ink? Is it then people can do? I don't know whether you can do bogus voting. I'm not sure what this, when ink goes from your finger, what you can do. So I would like. I've been given a name of a person who I have to contact now, Bhagwan Karmali at Mukherjee Stadium. So I'm going there to meet this person and ask exactly what is this all about. We want to know as voters. We want things to be proper. If we are going to vote, taking all the trouble to go to vote, I don't think we should go home like this, where the ink goes. So I don't know what's the next step. I'm just going to meet her. I brought paper already to make my complaint, and let's see, take it from there.
It's a proof that casting a vote, ink is a proof.
Yes, ink is a proof, and it lasted for some time. So I thought that it is there so that you can't do bogus voting again or whatever it is. But if this goes off, is there something behind all of this? I have no idea. They will have to answer.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.